Hello, amazing moms. It's okay to face challenges in maintaining a healthy diet. We all know that our homes and especially the kitchen play a pivotal role in our well being. Now, let's turn that kitchen into a hub for not just meals but for healthy choices that fuel your family's health journey. Here's the solution. It's all about making your kitchen work for you. Start by organizing your pantry with easy to reach, nutritious staples. Visibility is the key. When everything is in sight, it's more likely to be used. Consider the layout. A well organized kitchen layout can streamline your cooking process, making it easier to prepare wholesome meals. Place fresh fruits and veggies in accessible areas to encourage healthier snacking. And remember, it's not just about the food, it's about the atmosphere. Create a pleasant, inviting kitchen space that encourages your family to gather and enjoy meals together. A well designed kitchen is the heart of a healthy home. Share your nutritious struggles with me, and together let's transform your kitchen into a space that supports your health goals. Like, comment, and share if you find these tips helpful.